New cycle coins in the top 100. I have seen written here and others in the crypto space to look at coins that are new to the cycle. Makes sense, seeing coins who are newer are probably finding niches in markets that haven't been in. The technology is probably better than its competitors. So here it is. The list of new coins in the top 100 CoinGecko and a brief summary coins that were released after December 2021. 90. Sway Layer 1 POS. $1.40 to 50 cents. Not a fan. Not the best UX out there. Had a weird launch by not rewarding those who were trying to farm airdrops. 80. XECE Cash Crypto. Created by the same founder of Bitcoin Cash. 66. Roll Bitcoin Casino coin on the Solana network. Makes lots of revenue. Good for the degens. I played with it. Lots to do on it. I am waiting for sports betting to be available to have a crack at that. 52. Caspa L1 POW. Uses GhostDAO protocol. Fair launch. Hash rate been increasing ever since it launched. 41. Optimism $1.33. Price is close to its opening price. L2 for Ethereum. Lots of potential. Also used by Base as well. Generating a lot of revenue already. Its vesting schedule is releasing 3 of supply per month, but only 1.5 coins are in circulation. 39. Arbitrum. Much like Optimism. L2 on Ethereum. It has a higher inflation rate than Optimism. 38. Aptos. New L1 POS like Sway. I know the team also used to work at Meta. 32. Mantle. L2 on Ethereum. Using optimistic rollups like Optimism and Arbitrum. 12. Toncoin L1 used for gas fees etc. for Telegram's The Open Network. There it is. 3 optimistic L2s all competing with each other and a few L1s mostly. It will be interesting when zero-knowledge L2s come out as well, like ZKSYNC and Starknet. I expect these will also be in the top 100 as well. Any other info you guys know about these coins? Are any of you staking any of these coins? X200B. 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 Extremely bullish on Caspa. From the ones you mentioned, I am most bullish on Optimism and Arbitrum since they're both great projects. Though they are just governance tokens and don't have some further use to pay gas fees with, like, for example, Modditch does. But still, if the networks get used even more, and especially during bullrun, both of these could skyrocket in its prices. Only other worry is tokenomics. Considering that, for example, Optimism unlocked so far less than 20 of its tokens. So you never know how the team might continue dumping them, and therefore stop the price from going up too much. Looping L2 big player. I'm not really into altcoins right now. Have seen these coins around but never bothered to look into them. Thanks for the write-up. Rare informative thread. Putting some in Mantle, looking at the growth of L2s. Moon's top 100. Yes, you read that right. I've got a lot of love for Polygon, but also Optimism is pretty cool. Don't fade Caspa is my opinion. And yes, it's true. Usually new coins make better runs because there is less bag holders waiting to break even and dump. Thus resistances are a bit harder to break. Glad to hear and see you picked Caspa, my biggest bet at the moment. Not calling themselves the next BTC or ETH killer, but solving a real problem with great tech and hoping to find a spot between these two. I'm looking forward to Harry Potter Obamasonic 10 Inu making it into this list. The only L2 I'm bullish on and always will is Polygon. Tongcoin came out of nowhere for me. It was the only green light among the bloodbath yesterday. I am still sticking to my IMX and LRCL2S. Honestly, there is still so much shuffle in the top 100. I have problems keeping on track, so thank you for the update. Tongcoin at 12, that's pretty sick for a new coin in a bear. The only L2 I'm bullish on is on Ethereum. Well, I am not very interested in altcoins. But thanks for post, as this was helpful and informative. I don't even know half of these coins, not sure if that's a good or bad thing. Merci. I'm on the fence about diving into Optimism or Arbitrum. They're both great projects, but I can't decide on which to buy. I really like Arbitrum and hoping it would do well in the upcoming bullrun. RNDR should be up there. Is there a way I can bookmark this so I can come back to it? This has inspired me to look at some new cycle alts. Some good alts to watch during a bear market. See if they keep building and gaining traction. I have a feeling that Arbitrum will be one of the crypto coins that will do well next bull season. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for sharing. Usually coins don't last long in the top 100. If we look at the top 100 list from 5 years ago, we see that most projects weren't able to hold their promises and people lost interest. Some of the current top 100 coins do look promising though. I use CoinBubble, at least it makes it look fun. CAS is my only green candle. I'm a big fan of Caspa, bought my first lot this week. Definitely a breakout candidate. Layer 2s will definitely be a narrative in the same way DeFi was and during the bullrun that exploded, so we can expect similar fireworks for the Layer 2s. Then I'm also keeping my eye on some wildcards, maybe ones that arrive late. But I won't gamble too heavily on those, maybe $1,000 or $2 on a new meme or something if it looks like people will be into it. Thank you, it's worth looking into those. I'm not a big gambler though. I've been buying APT and ARB. Is there a link that shows the ranking of the top 100 currencies over time? Waiting for Moons to be in the list of new cycle coins in the top 100. This is the kind of content that has been lacking on this sub for a while. It seems like alts are not that interesting during the bear market. I think Rollbit migrated to Ethereum. Cool post. Let's see more posts like this. Telegram has their own coins. I've never seen them before. Great breakdown. Would love to see this more often. Been buying CAS for a while now. Shitcoins will be shitcoins. I have no clue about Tongcoin, the Telegram coin. But the fact that Tongcoin is number 11 on CoinMarketCap and gained 60 in the last 30 days is pretty fascinating. I never hear anything about Tongcoin. Anybody feel the same? Of this top 100 new entries, I think that only ARB and OP will last for the next year. Shitcoins are going to do worse and worse each cycle as the market wises up. If the whole point of an asset is to dump it while you can, that is an unsustainable model. Keep adhering to old shitcoiner logic, and you're going to get wrecked. I would predict any L2 who about to IPO would stay in top 100 like Stark, ZKSYNC etc. that I may not be following. Can't wait to see Moons in this list. Moons getting to the top 100 would be a dream come true. I've discovered that you can already make sport bets on a platform called GoalXYZ on ZK Era network. I think that crypto casino will grow a lot, but that at a certain point authorities will try to regulate them. This is good. Thank you.